Hello, rebels and girls. Welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a collab here. They done a lot of music together. Selena Gomez and Blanco. That's When I Care, okay? A sweet, beautiful song from both. So let's go into this one with capo set on second fret, absolute best scenario for us. And we have 6 chords to handle. So we're gonna start with G first. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. We have D as well. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. And then we have B minor. It's a bar chord. So you play the index finger on the 2nd fret and push down 5 strings, all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And the final chord will be C. And that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming, and it's the same throughout the song. If you grab the first chord G, one round goes down, down, up, down. Okay, so I like to separate the first 2 down from each other. So the first one goes on the bass strings, and the second one in the mid-higher area. So they kind of answering each other. So, and then end with up, down. That's one round. So down, down, up, down. Okay, so we're ready for the first verse. And you're gonna play G, 2 string rounds, and then E minor 2 string rounds. You repeat that. So again, G 2 string rounds and E minor 2 string rounds. Then you go over to do the A minor 2 string rounds and D 2 string rounds. And then you repeat that, A minor 2 and D 2. And that is the first verse. So I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing. It goes like this: G, G, E. Again. Then A minor and D. Again. And that is the first verse. Into the first pre-chorus now, I just really and so on. We're about 24 seconds in. You're gonna play G 1 down, E minor 1 down, and A minor 1 down. And a double pause there. And that's it for pre-chorus. That pause leads us to the first chorus. And the first chorus, guess what? You're gonna play that in the exact same way as you play the verse play. Let's play that together now without speaking, just playing, and it goes like this. That's the first chorus, okay? And that is the first round. Actually not. We have the post-chorus part as well at 1 minute and 1 second in. Oh, love. That's around the lyric. And what you're going to do here is to play G 2 string rounds and E minor 2 string rounds for 2 rounds, back and forth like this. Yes, now we're into the second round, and that is pretty much repetition. Second verse playing exact same way as the first one. The same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. After that second chorus comes the bridge / outro part. So this is the end of the song here, and we're now about 2 minutes and 8 seconds in. Now you're gonna play G 2 string rounds, A minor 2 string rounds, E minor 2 string rounds, and C 2 string rounds. That portion of these 4 chords you're gonna play for 3 rounds to start with. Okay, so let's do that together. G2, A minor 2, E minor 2, C2. Okay, so 3 rounds of that. Then you have the final 4 rounds left here. So you're gonna play the first round here, actually the 4th round, but yeah, from now on the 4th round, you're gonna play G2, A minor 2, B minor 2, C2. Then next round will be G2, A minor 2, E minor 2, C2. So you had B minor first, now you go to E minor. Next round will be with the B minor, and the final round will be with the E minor. So you just alternate these last 4 rounds with the B minor C in the end, and then the E minor C, and then again B minor C, and the 4th E minor C. So I thought I'm gonna play these 4 rounds, the last rounds for you as well, and it goes like this: G, E minor, D minor, C. And you end on one beautiful G, and that's it, my friends. Benny and Selena's That Is When I Care. Okay, guys, so nice song. Fits guitar obviously very well. So if you like this song and you just want to play it, then do it. It's very simple. 6 simple chords, 1 strumming pattern. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.